Hey loves, we got a quick unboxing to do. I gotta make this super quick, so let's get right to it. This is from Louis Vuitton. I have been waiting on it all afternoon and I got errands to run. So, whoa, okay. What a big box. Man. And I finally got to get my order in for this, and like with most things, of course, I was a little late to the party, but party hardy. Dude, we got there. So, or do that. I knew it was gonna be easier just to do this. I don't know why this box is made like this or what's going on with it, but I don't have the patience for it today. So we're just gonna unbox it upside down. And let everything fall down without it. Okay, now, here we go. Oh, was that right side up? Oh my Lord, who knows? So, we'll put that down there. And put this over here. Oh, look. Love them. Love them, thank you. And I sent a little thank you email to online client services. And I really do think that they listen, because they have sent me the sweetest little emails since then. And I got a online invite to an online only piece, and I'll discuss that a little bit later on, because I want to get into the facts that I don't know who all got that or whatever, but yeah, so anyway, Louis Vuitton, love you, Louis, thank you, client services. Okay, we got it. Oh, Jesus. Now, this checks several things off my list, and it just happened to come out at a time that those items were being added to my list. So, I kept my watch my eye on that online site, and finally nailed it. Let's check it out. And is this bag a good deal? Yes, it is a good deal, because if you do the math, and I don't have time to do that right now, I have that information in front of me. Ta-da! Here she is, loves. Here she is. Isn't she gorgeous? Isn't she gorgeous? And this is just, oh my God, you're great everywhere, everyday bag. I could not be happier with being able to get this piece. And looking her over, she looks pretty good. Oh, lovely zip. We got a baby inside. There is a baby inside, y'all. Look, check it out. Okay. There goes mama, there goes baby. Look. And baby is in fantastic shape. It is one piece of canvas all the way around. Of course, it has and I believe this is treated vachetta, and I'll have to check and make sure, and I'll correct myself in the comments below if not. But it has the Louis Vuitton imprint on the baby. Oh, I thought they would on the end here, but does not. Or on the pole. Very minimalist. Very minimalist. Okay. I'll show you up close in just a minute of both of these. And we'll do a review. Look how cute. Oh my God, y'all, that is so cute. I am a happy chick today. Okay, there's that. And here's the chain, and I do love it. I do love it. I hate those little bitty cut into your shoulders chains that I can't wear on my bad arm at all. You know, so, oh, how fantastic. Of course, it has the Louis Vuitton LV on the chain there. In case you were wondering, it does. Goes on the D-rings here on this side. And this is treated leather on the side. Y'all, that's just goodness. Just goodness, goodness, goodness. Goodness gracious is goodness. Okay. And yes. Oh, how adorable. How freaking cute. Okay. She goes with me today. It has a leather patch on the inside that for card slots. I'm not sure if this is leather, but this is microfiber. This is microfiber. I believe the way it goes is the outside is water resistant, but it's not waterproof, okay? It may be a toiletry pouch on a chain, but it's actually a handbag. So, and then there is, ooh, she's having a hard time standing there. She may not be a stand-up bag. I was hoping she'd be a stand-up kind of gal. And this is definitely not a stand-up baby girl. I'm telling you, this definitely will not stand up on its own. It is a microfiber interior on this one. She is so cute. No pockets, no nothing. Just the microfiber interior. Okay. And then show you what this is in here, and sits right up. And let me cut this light on, and we will see what she looks like. From a what do you think? Just gorgeous, right? I mean, just perfect. Perfect for everyday wear. Fits perfect on me. doesn't really bother me that it's not crossbody. I'm not into crossbodies that much. I don't like having to do over the shoulder and stuff like that. I will if I have to, and particularly with something like with the Pochette Matisse, where I don't want somebody running off with my bag like that. And so I can do a crossbody like that, or if I have to, but I'm not real big on crossbodies. This is adorable, and it is perfect. It is the perfect bag. Okay, and I know that Louis Vuitton is sitting over there laughing like hyenas because we're all in like a panic buy to buy things before the price increase. But let me tell you, we really got to stop with that because they are just laughing and watch this next price increase not be as drastic. If they have another one before the first of the year, they may surprise us all and not even do one, but there is a rumor in the mill, and so people have gone crazy with buying. And I've got a list, and we'll go over my list and see what all is left on that list that I need to get. And I have to show you this a little bit closer up. Then I've got to pack her up because we got to run errands today. But she is just adorable, and the baby toiletry is just adorable, and I couldn't be happier and feel more blessed to have been able to make these purchases. And I do get to make these purchases through gaming, and when I hit a good jackpot, I usually my splurge is my bags. So that's mama and baby, and that's all I have time for today. We'll go over some more things later on. Be smart about your money. As much as I love Fendi and Fendi pieces, I've checked up on here lately and been listening to other videos, and I recommend that you listen to some of these other Lux vloggers, because they can give you some great information, some really great information. You want to be, I don't mind spending my money, but I don't like wasting it, and I'm just not built like that. If you got the money to waste, then hey baby, more power to you. Those things were made for you. But the rest of us, and I don't know what point I would ever get comfortable with that. That's just not me, but you do you. And if you've got that to do, that's great. But I want my pieces to be investment pieces, even though I have emotional ties to them, and each one is special and each one is different. They still, and that's money being spent, and I want it to be money well spent. I want to be able to love them and to care for them, but I want them to be as valuable as I consider them to be. And to do that, I have to take care of them, and make sure that if anything ever happens or anything ever happens to me, that there's just be some value in it, you know. You want your bags to reflect you. And if you love that bag and you can do that splurge and live that carefree, we're all happy for you. But you do you. But if you are concerned about the money, this is definitely a lot of bang for your buck, and I certainly do recommend it. Oh, she's just gonna have to lay down for me. Y'all have a great day.